नमस्कार। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृत तव कथामृतं तप्तजीवनं कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदादतं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ये भूरिदा जनाः। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृतो प्रथम भाग द्वितीय खंडो पंचम परिच्छेद, and we have seen this fifth chapter. Sri M has started with that beautiful shlok from the Jnana Vijnana Yoga of Bhagavad Gita, where Sri Krishna tells Arjuna that this entire world deluded by the three gunas, the sattva, rajas, tamas, they fail to know me. They don't know me. That I'm beyond these three gunas. I'm beyond this illusion. I'm the only reality, and I am immutable. I'm unchangeable. These people, this entire universe has forgotten that reality. They don't know me. And that's what Sri Ramakrishna also, the teaching that Swami Chidbhavanandaji explained while explaining the meaning of the shloka. Swami Chidbhavanandaji had quoted this teaching from Sri Ramakrishna, that ultimately only the magician is real. The magic is all fake. It is all fake. He creates magic. He creates three gunas, gets us deluded. And we forget. We don't know that he is the only reality. And after starting this chapter with that shlok, now Sri M has told us about how Sri Ramakrishna's talking to Kedar and all other devotees. He told that Mother Shama, Mother Kali, she alone is the one who binds us in this bondage of Kamini Kanchan. She deludes us with the three gunas that Sri Krishna spoke of in the 13th shloka of the 7th adhyaya of Bhagavad Gita. Mohitam, she deludes. She deludes us and binds us in the bondage of Kamini Kanchan. And again, it is she alone who, out of her compassion for her children, she will also give the liberation from this bondage. Tini bhuvabandhaner bandhanoharini tarini. She is the one who makes us bound, who puts us in the bondage, and also tarini, and also liberates us from that bondage. And then we read about Sri Ramakrishna singing that beautiful song composed by Ram Prasad, where Ram Prasad has mentioned that Shama, my mother, she loves, she's enjoying flying the kites in the sky, standing there in the hustle bustle of the busy marketplace. My mother Shama is flying kites. And what is this kite made up of? This kite is made up of flesh and bone and skin, all this nonsense. This kite is made up of that and tied with a string of delusion. Tied with a string of delusion, and delusion created by the three gunas. Sattva, rajas, tamas, deluded by the string of three gunas, and this string is made so strong with the binding material and the powdered glass made up of worldliness. The string is made strong so it should not cut easily. And this, my mother, is flying it, and the kite is flying high up above in the sky on the winds of hope. I will get that. I will get that. A hope of enjoying the worldly objects. The hope of enjoying the worldly object. This kite is soaring high up in the sky. And among 100,000. Among the millions of kites, only one or two kites will, with her grace. Possibly she puts her nail somewhere on the thread and helps that kite to break out of her compassion. And as that one or two, those kites among the 100,000 kites get free, set free, our mother is so happy. She starts clapping like a little girl and starts laughing, saying, "Oh, these two have got liberated." So that was the beautiful song that we read about. And then Thakur also said, Tini Leela Moy, this is all her play. She loves to play. A Shongshar Tar Leela. This world, this universe is also her divine play. It is her will, it is her wish. She has brought this world into effect. Tini Ichamoi, Anandamoi. She is the highest wishing. It is all because of her wish. This is whole drama, whole play, whole magic is happening. And she is Anandamoi. She is in her ever happy, blissful mood. She is making these kites fly. In her blissful mood, Ma is flying these kites. And from those lakhs and lakhs of kites, 100,000s, only one or two will set free. So this is what Sri Ramakrishna told us in our previous reading. Now, Brahma Bhakto, মহাশয় তিনি তো মনে করলে সকলকে মুক্তি করতে পারেন লোক কেন তবে আমাদের সংসারে বদ্ধ করে রেখেছেন One Brahmo devotee asked Sri Ramakrishna, revered sir, তিনি তো মনে করলে সকলকে মুক্তি করতে পারেন if she wishes, if she takes to her mind, if she decides, she can make everyone free, isn't it? Because after all, she is the doer with a capital D. It is her wish. With her wish, everything is happening. So if she wishes, if she feels, if she desires, she can set everybody free. কেন তবে আমাদের সংসারে বদ্ধ করে রেখেছেন? Then why she has kept us in delusion and kept us bound in these worldly activities, in this worldly drama, in this worldly magic? Why is it? If it is her will, yes. But then, why doesn't she make all the lakhs and lakhs of kites free? Set them free. Make them cut and reach the other side of the ocean. Now, Sri Ramakrishna answers this query. Sri Ramakrishna. তার ইচ্ছা যে তিনি এই সব নিয়ে খেলা করেন বুড়িকে আগে থাকতে ছুলে দৌড়াদৌড়ি করতে হয় না সকলেই যদি ছুঁয়ে ফেলে খেলা কেমন করে হয় সকলেই ছুঁয়ে ফেলে বুড়ি অসন্তুষ্ট হয়ে খেলা চললে বুড়িরও আহ্লাদ তাই লক্ষের দুটা একটা কাটে হেসে দাও মা হাত চাপড়ি সকলের আনন্দ Thakur says when that Brahmo devotee asks if it is her will then she can free everyone all these kites she can set them free but Thakur says, it is her pleasure, her wish. How can you and me decide what she should do? It is her wish that only one or two among lakh should set free. তার ইচ্ছা যে তিনি এই সব নিয়ে খেলা করেন. It is her wish that she has created this play with all these things placed in it. It is all her desire to sport, to play in this way. And then Sri Ramakrishna gives the example of that traditional game that children play, hide and seek, where all the players, there is one player, the leader, who is set free, and all other players, they are tied blindfold. And the objective is all these players, they have to catch, they have to seek this leader who is called as Granny in that game. Now the moment any player touches the Granny, he opens a blindfold and he can see the Granny, and then he can't run anymore. For him the play is over. He's go and sits aside till all these fellows, all the other players, they get a chance to untie and see the Granny after touching her. So what Sri Ramakrishna says, বুড়ি কে আগে থাকতে ছুলে দৌড়া দৌড়ি করতে হয় না. So if this Granny, if the leader, at the start of the game itself, if somebody touches, that for that fellow game is over. No more seeking the Granny. No more seeking the Granny by hiding his eyes. I mean, by getting the blindfold. So, সকলেই যদি ছুঁয়ে ফেলে, so if all the players touch this Granny at the start of the game itself, how will the game proceed? খেলা কেমন করে হয়? Game can't proceed. So, সকলেই ছুঁয়ে ফেলে, বুড়ি সন্তুষ্ট হয়. Now the leader, actually it is the pride of the leader in this game, how long he can survive without being touched by other players. He or she, without being touched by other players, how long that leader can survive. Now if everybody touches him, if everybody touches the Granny, game is over. So leader can't enjoy, the Granny can't enjoy. Play must go on, the show must go on, isn't it? That's why খেলা চলে বুড়ির আহ্লাদ. The longer the play goes, the longer the time that these players take to seek the Granny, to touch her, she is very happy, because that is her freedom from getting caught. Right? তাই লক্ষের দুটা একটা কাটে. That's why among the lakhs and lakhs of kites, 100,000s of kites, only one or two set free. And then হেসে দাও মা, হাত চাপুড়ি. Then our mother, very smiling, like a small child, like a small girl, she enjoys those kites getting set free and claps her hand, laughs, and even dances in joy. Those one or two, those have got set free. They have caught the Granny, and other players are still busy with their eyes closed, enjoying the temptations of the world under that delusion of Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. So it is all her wish. তিনি মনকে আঁখে ঠেরে ইশারা করে বলে দিয়েছেন, যা এখন সংসার করগে যা. মনের কি দোষ? তিনি যদি আমার দয়া করে মনকে ফিরিয়ে দেন, তাহলে বিষয় বুদ্ধির হাত থেকে মুক্তি হয়ে তখন আবার তার পাদপদ্মে মন হয়ে। Now this is a complaint. This is a complaint. What is my fault? তিনি মনকে আঁখি ঠেরে ইশারা করে। She has kind of given a sign. She has made the movement of her eyes through visual sign, through the signing through her eyes, giving a sign. Go and play. Sometimes the child asks the mother, should I go? Mother doesn't say anything, but only with the movement of her eyes, with the expression in her eyes, she will say, okay, go. Likewise, তিনি মনকে আঁখি ঠেরে ইশারা করে বলে দিয়েছেন, গো যা, এখন সংসার করগে যান। She has only given me this permission with her sign, with a sign language. Go, my child, go and enjoy the world. মনের কি দোষ? What is the fault of my mind? Why should everybody start shouting at me? It is not my fault. It is not the fault of my mind. It is all her doing. তিনি যদি আবার দয়া করে মনকে ফিরিয়ে দেন, তাহলে বিষয় বুদ্ধির হাত থেকে মুক্তি হয়ে। Now, taking compassion, taking pity on me, taking feeling compassion for me. Now if she decides, if she showers her grace, if she showers her blessings, then she can turn my mind back from all those worldly temptations, from the worldly objects of enjoyments. She can take my mind, she can turn back my mind from those. তাহলে বিষয় বুদ্ধির হাত থেকে মুক্তি হয়ে, then only I can get rid of attachment, I can get rid of thinking about enjoying all those worldly objects. তখন, and only then, when she wishes like this, when she turns my mind away from those worldly objects, তখন আবার তার পদপদ্মে মনে হয়, then again my mind will go back to her lotus feet. That is, it is all. If she wishes, she can do it any moment. Come on, my child. You are going that way? Turn around. That is not for you. What is for you? My lotus feet. Come back. And then my mind will go and get attached to the lotus feet of my beloved mother. ঠাকুর সংসারীর ভাবে মার কাছে অভিমান করে গাইতেছেন। Now, like assuming the position, assuming that he's a worldly person, and in a complaining tone, now Thakur starts singing another song. আমি এ খেদে খেদ করি, I am so sad mother. He is complaining to the divine mother. He is complaining to the divine mother. Another beautiful song of Ram Prasad again. আমি বুঝেছি জেনেছি, আশয় পেয়েছি. No. I started it in the wrong line. তুমি মাতা থাকতে আমার জাগা ধরে চুরি, মনে করি তোমার নাম করি, কিন্তু সময় পাশারি. Okay, Tumi mata thakte amar. You being my, now Thakur is complaining to mother. This song that Ram Prasad has composed is all in a complaining mode. It is all your fault, my mother. It is all your fault that tumi mata thakte amar. You being my mother, jaga ghore churi. How come my house is getting robbed? It has got robbed. Mone kori tumar naam kori. How many times I decide, how many times I make a vow of chanting your name. N number of times I decide, Pakka, now I will do it. Now I will chant my mother's name. Kintu Shomay Pashari. But when the time of chanting your name comes, I just forget. It is not my fault, mother. That's what Ram Prasad is saying. আমি বুঝেছি জেনেছি আশয় পেয়েছি এসব তোমারই চাতুরি. I know, my mother. I very well understand. I have realized that this is all your trick, mother. Otherwise, I'm such a wonderful person, your child. I want to repeat your name, but what to do, ma? Every time I decide, when the time comes, I forget it. Now I have realized this is all your trick that you are playing on me. কিন্তু দিলে না, পেলে না, নিলে না, খেলে না, সে দোষ কি আমারই? যদি দিতে পেতে, নিতে খেতে, দিতাম, খাওয়াতাম তোমারই. You have not given me anything. কিছু দিলে না, পেলে না. You have not given me anything. You have not granted me anything. You have not done anything for me in this regard. Then, is it my fault? Had you given me devotion, I would have offered my pranams to you. I would have chanted your name. I would have done so many things. But you have only not given me anything. So what can I do, my dear mummy? This is how the child is crying to the mother, cribbing to the mother. Then, Josho, Opojosho, সুরসো কুরসো সকল রস তোমারে ওগো রসে থেকে রসভঙ্গ কেন রসেশ্বরী. The glory, infamy, success, failure, সকল রস তোমারি, all are your fruits. The bitter, sweeter, the glories, the infamy, the success, the failures, all these are yours, O mother. These are all your fruits. But Ogo, oh dear, Reshe Theke Roshabhango. You owning all these fruits, but for me, ever immersed in your sweet feelings, why do you break my tender feelings? Why you are not allowing me to enjoy those fruits? Had you allowed, I would have enjoyed. প্রসাদ বলে মন দিয়েছ মনেরই আঁখঠারে. ও মা, তোমার সৃষ্টি দৃষ্টি পোড়া মিষ্টি ঘুলে ঘুরি বলে ঘুরি. So Prasad is saying, Ram Prasad is now cribbing to Ma. Prasad bole mon diyeche, says Prasad, you have given me this mind. Monere aakhathari. You have given me this mind, and with a wink, and with that sign that you have allowed me. Tomar srushti drushti poda mishti bole guri. Oh ma, you have only given that silent consent through that sign of your eye. You have winked. Oh, my child, go and seek enjoyment in the world. Poda mishti, the sweet enjoyments. Bole ghuri. That is what you have told me. That go and enjoy. So what is my fault, mother? Hmm? That is how it is. Now the child is so smart. Now the child is putting all the blame on his beloved mom. Had you It is not your wish that I should get liberated. That's why you have kept me in bondage. Thakur says, তাই মায়াতে ভুলে মানুষ সংসারী হয়েছে, প্রসাদ বলে মন দিয়েছ মনেরই হাঙ্কঠারে. That's why. Deluded by this maya, deluded by these three gunas, the man has got entangled in this worldly life, in this temptation of Kamini Kanchon. He has got so trapped and forgotten his mother. But then again, like Prasad says, Ma has only told me, go my child, enjoy. So it is all her wish, not my fault. I wanted to go. I wanted to chant the name of my mother every now and then. But what happens when the time of chanting the name comes? I forget that I have to chant. What can I do? It is all her doing. That I am enjoying this world. That we are all enjoying this world. The moment she wishes, the one or two among us will just get free. The kite will get cut and fly off to the other shore of this ocean. So that is the teaching that Sri Ramakrishna has given us in this particular topic of the 5th chapter. The next topic that Sri Ramakrishna going to tackle, going to teach us is Karmayog Shambandhe Shiksha. The instruction about Karma Yoga, Samsar o Nishkama Karma, this world, and how to do the selfless work. Now, one thing for sure, we have to be in this world because Ma has put us. Ma has put us in this janjal, in this sansar, in this world of Maya, world of delusion. Now, if at all we have to be here, how should we? What is our duty? How should we do the selfless work? That is what Sri Ramakrishna is going to elaborate further in our next reading. Om Namah Shri Bhagavate Ramakrishnaya. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Jai Thakur, Jai Ma, Jai Swamiji.